everyone, it's Darla. So one of my beautiful YouTube family members asked a question. Her name is Brenda and she's from Bless This Home with Love. I'll put her link below. She asked if I ever record a video of myself of my craft room or where I sit when I crochet. Well, no, I don't really have a craft room, but this is where I sit and crochet. So, yeah, I didn't even clean up the area because I just didn't bother. This is how it is when I sit and crochet. And I'll show you a few things here. This is my messy area. This is a tank top that I made. I have a tutorial on my channel for this one. I think it goes this way, something like that. So this was made out of a salmon color. Yeah, and the bag that the lovely Corina made on her channel. I actually finished it, but I did not sew the ends in yet. And this is it. That's that ombre yarn. Looks a little orange there, but it's actually a coral. And it turned out pretty big, but I love it. So I'll put the link down below for her tutorial. Yeah, I think this is, oh, was it Red Heart Ombre, Super Saver? I don't know, something like that. So I lost the ball band a long time ago, or I threw it away. I don't know what I did with it. Also, I made these cushions, and I made a matching blanket, which is still on the other side of the room. Made these quite a while back. Took 6 weeks. I made 4 of them. This is the back. It's a corner to corner. I'll also put the link to the video I followed for these. The big blanket, I just kind of winged it, but it's really big and it's square, of course. And what else? What else? Still working on that tutorial. Did some more recording today, and then something weird happened, so I'm taking a break. Yes. So this is, what is this? Thursday, August 6th, maybe? Anywho. 2020, yes. So look at this colorful thing I'm working on. Alright, so this is where I sit and crochet. Usually I take up the whole area and hubby sits on the other couch, watches TV. If I don't want to watch what he's watching, sometimes I'll just put my earplugs in and, not my earplugs, my earbuds, and I'll have my phone right here and I'll watch and listen to your videos. Yes! And I click like, and then I comment on almost all of them. And yeah, so let's go over to where I do paper crafting. Alright, so here we are in my kitchen. This is where I sit and do paper crafting. I do my tutorials, my crochet tutorials here. Yeah, things like that. This is what I use to film my crochet tutorials. I got this at Amazon. Cost me a pretty penny because I don't have Prime, and also you know, shipping is a lot here in Canada. So anyway, yeah, so yeah, it's a pretty good thing. So that's where I do my paper crafting. So I have a few supplies here. Actually, I cleaned this up not that long ago. Now I'll take you to where some of my yarn is. All right, so since I have a shelf in another room that has yarn on it. I have now resorted to tubs. Oh, sorry, my kitties were on top of here with their dirty feet. So I keep yarn in here now. This is all the latest yarn I've bought. And yeah, I can't really show you what's... I showed you some of what I bought at Dollar Tree the other day. Some I can't show you because it's going out in friend mail. And I just want them to be surprised. So in here now I have some of the items that I've crocheted. Yeah, I'm not going to take them out right now to show you. But then let's go over... Oh, this is a box to go to Goodwill. And let's see. This is a container that I have stuff in. Oh, these trays are broken. But I have stuff in to do my paper crafting with. Yeah, this whole thing is stickers. And this whole tub right here is stickers. Yeah, and I don't even have them all in there. So what else do I have? Okay, I'll take you over to some other supplies I have. Okay, this is in the same room. It's a shelving unit I bought from hubby's sister. In those spice jars on the right are beads. And yeah, these are some of my supplies. I actually organized all this a while back, and it's still organized. And I have some drawers down there with stuff in, and then I'll turn you around to one of my yarn racks. Alright, a few stuffed animals on top. This is yarn here. Goes all the way down. There's a couple empty spaces because I'm trying to use some of it up. But yeah, that's some of the yarn I have. Also have this. This is in the same room as those big containers, which is the dining room. So I have some crafting supplies in here, and a big old spider. Ooh. Yeah, this is my sewing kit. Yeah, there's some tools and things in the bottom cupboards. Yeah, so I guess that's it for my video for today. There you go, Brenda. Not too exciting, but you know. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Yes, there's one more thing. If you're still with me, yay for you. In the very beginning of this video, I was crocheting something in front of you. Now, I want you to answer a question in the comments below. I don't want you to say what pattern it is or who created the pattern. I would like you to tell me where I bought that yarn. I did a yarn haul. And whoever knows where I bought that yarn will be entered into a giveaway. And you will win 2 skeins of that yarn that I was using. If you like bright, colorful colors, then you can enter by writing the name of the place I bought that yarn from. There are 284 yards in each one, and I'm giving away 2, so that equals 568 yards, and it's 100% cotton. So yeah, all right. Bye-bye for now.